channel Alka's Pair. So today I'm here with a simple makeup video. So let's get started. Moisturize your face and lips before the makeup. Next I will apply this Bubyee foundation. And then I will apply this MAC compact powder. I will use this L18 kajal as my eyeliner and kajal both, and a little bit on eyebrow. I will use this lipstick as my eyeshadow and even also for my blush. And then I will use this Vaseline as a highlighter on the highlighted parts.
Baby, won't you tell me why there is sadness in your eyes? I don't wanna say goodbye to you. Love is one big illusion I should try to.
Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. If you are new in my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and yes, press the bell icon and stay tuned guys. See you in my next video. Bye bye.